crossing the railroad bridge to get across the water. Did you hear? Get 5 knights and sliders per turn. 3, 2, 4. Now, that was a close one. I know right. That train was high speeding. Or at least no one saw us with the train. Caution. They're busted. Order in report. We are now in session. 5 knights have sliders focused and put on. What do you guys have to say? No, Your Honor, we were crossing the railroad bridge to get across the water, and a train came behind us. We jumped off the bridge to avoid being hit. We only crossed the railroad bridge to save us time. Guys, that was a dangerous thing to do. Walking on railroad bridges wasn't a good idea. Railroad bridges are built for trains, not people. I'm very disappointed of what you did, guys. We know Your Honor. You both would be dead if the trains took both of you. But lucky you jumped off the bridge. You must never trespass on railroads again, especially on railroad bridges. Dangerous. Good to see. Good. I'll be sentencing you guys to jail for 60 days. All right, guards. Please take the guys away. This is a jail cell. Now stay there for 60 days. Oh, my God. Now 5 months it's Mother's plans. You guys walked on a railroad bridge and nearly got hit by a train. That was the dangerous thing you two have ever done. You know that railroad bridges are built for trains, not for you. So chooses likely to. Who knows what would happen if the train struck both of you? You're both lucky you didn't die. We are so sorry our nice clones. Yeah, we promise to never do this again. This is serious, you guys. For this, you both are grounded for 555 months. Partly with virtues. You both grounded and that's final. Now both of you get your chance right now.